Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your Asian Phenom back with another exclusive dog food review. This is Akira's favorite, or actually one of her favorites, that I purchased from Walmart for $8.98. These are the Meaty Bones dog biscuits, available in the large size. So the reason why I purchased this is because it's a relatively healthy snack for a dog, and it helps clean her teeth, because I don't have all the time in the world to wash her or help her brush her teeth. So this is the alternative way to go. Let's take a close-up look at this bag. It says baked in meaty flavor from the makers of Canine Carryouts Dog Snacks. This is a 7.5-pound bag, which comes to about $1.20 per pound. So that's definitely on the affordable side. No complaints there. Resealable packaging. Let's take a close-up look at the back before Akira tastes it. There we go. Meaty Mo biscuits are tasty, indulgent, meaty snacks that beats dry, ordinary biscuits any day. And of course, I will post the nutritional info along with the ingredients if they are available. So without further ado, let's open this up. So here we go. Oh, come on. I gotta use my scissors? Come on, you guys should have made it easier by adding a little slit right there so it's easier to open. No biggie. So finally, here we go. In case you're wondering what the inside looks like, look at all those delicious dog biscuits. It's got a strong smell to it. Kind of reminds me of like some type of, I don't know, aromatic biscuits or crackers. I know Akira's ready, behind the bag, hiding out. Let's take a closer look at this. Even though it says for large dog, this is relatively small compared to the brand of milk bones that I used to typically have. So, you know, Akira's ready, right, baby girl? You ready to do the taste test? That's what it looks like. And let's see how she likes it. Come on. Sit. Sit. Come on, come on. Sit. Here we go. It's tasting pretty good, right? I know she's loving it. Akira, how do you like it? Judging by her tail wagging, she loves it. Oh, she's looking for more. Oh, I think this deserves an encore. Here we go. So, on a scale of 1 to 100%, I'm pretty sure Akira would give this a 95%. Definitely a very valued item. Oh, trust me, if the zombie apocalypse ever comes, I might be eating these too.